First at all news headlines. Chief Minister and Biren Singh honors 191st death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh, announces development projects and preservation efforts at Langthabal. Chief Minister Biren attends screening of Chahitaret Khuntakpa at Kangla as the rest of the state commemorated National Reconciliation Day. And Legmai Naga women continue indefinite ban at Makhan Gate on Tiger Road over assault by Kuki miscreants, while Kokomi condemns assault. A very good evening. You are watching ICE English News. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister and Biren Singh, during the observation of the 191st death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh today at Langthabal, Imphal, remarked that honoring the sacrifices of Manipur's forefathers was not just a tribute but a duty to preserve their legacy. He explained that the occasion was to pay tribute to Maharaj Gambhir Singh, Maidingu Narsingh and Sana Herachandra, who had led the resistance against the Burmese and liberated Manipur in 1826. The Chief Minister emphasized that the sacrifices made by these leaders and their troops were unparalleled, and he urged the present and future generations to never forget their courage and valor. He further mentioned the government's ongoing efforts to preserve this legacy, highlighting the construction of memorials and statues across the state. In his speech, the Chief Minister shared plans to develop a new museum at the Samadhi of Maharaj Gambhir Singh with an estimated cost of 40 crore rupees, aimed at instilling a sense of nationalism, unity and integrity among the younger generation. He also spoke of the development of the old Langthabal Palace with a projected cost of 25 crore rupees and the rejuvenation of the Chandranadi River with an initial phase budget of 10 crore rupees. The Chief Minister also addressed infrastructure projects, stating that the illegal structures along National Highway 102 near Manipur University would be removed. He also spoke about plans to construct a new library at the Manipur Central Library with national standard facilities and the initiation of a significant RCC road construction project in Greater Imphal worth 3,300 crore rupees. He assured that compensation would be provided to land owners affected by these projects, though encroachments and illegal structures would be evicted. Furthermore, he discussed the ongoing development of the Sangai Ethnic Park and the Unity Mall, which both feature stalls representing all recognized communities in the state as part of efforts to showcase the inclusiveness and unity of Manipur. The Chief Minister also laid the foundation stone for the Maharaj Gambhir Singh Museum as part of the state's continued commitment to preserving its cultural heritage. The event also featured performances, a guard of honor, and floral tributes to the statues and portraits of the esteemed leaders.
Karigi, I call the nationalism, Zati Nungshibi, Mariba Nungshibi Wakanzi, Prazailo in Sai with the Mulib, Hujixuni, Prazaz in Kangalo, Mamangi Mirona Salamagasu, Landamagas Masiki, Lakatama Mirode, London of a Tohan Sheba. Aduta Wimot I call the Kananakari Hagi, Asoibukari Hagi, and a Tiraga, Nainaraga, 30 size of the gay. Punsalapa, a Quimayam said to guide the gay. Mana do hagi bani mana do hagi ni na amada salaga muktam tawagi role do koi talkshe.
In remembrance of the 191st death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh, a program featuring the production of Meitei Ishai was organized by Images of Manipur at the Youth Hostel Conference Hall, Kumadlampak in Imphal East today. The event was graced by advocate and legal advisor Lukram Kiran Mala as the chief guest, Yumnam Nolini Leima as the president, and Namai Rakpam Inau Shana Leima as the guest of honor. A floral tribute was offered to a portrait of Maharaj Gambhir Singh, followed by a thought-provoking speech delivered by social activist Sapamcha Kanglepal on the topic Chahi Taret Khuntakpa Maharaj Gambhir Singh's role. The opening song was performed by internally displaced persons from the TUC relief camp, setting the tone for a heartfelt celebration. Young artists from the TUC relief camp and performers from Images of Manipur presented captivating Meitei Isai rendition, including Meitei Leibak, Kauribi, Panthoibi, Sintharol, and Nongkhong Koiba Isai, showcasing the cultural richness of the Meitei tradition. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh emphasized the importance of instilling a sense of nationalism in the youth and reminding them of the sacrifices made by their forefathers to regain the freedom and sovereignty of Manipur. He was speaking at the screening of the film Chahi Taret Khuntakpa 7 Years Devastation at the Kangla Hall, an event organized by the Manipur State Archaeology and the Department of Art and Culture. During his address as the chief guest, the Chief Minister expressed concern over the lack of proper documentation and records of the state's history, which he noted could play a crucial role in preserving Manipur's culture and traditions. He revealed that a general knowledge book titled Know Your Manipur would be published later this year, coinciding with Statehood Day on January 21, 2025. This book, he explained, would provide comprehensive details about Manipur, aiming to educate the younger generation about their history. Regarding the film, Sri N. Biren Singh recalled that the decision to produce Chahi Taret Khuntakpa was made in 2022, recognizing the need to create films that focus on significant historical events of Manipur. The Chief Minister shared that the 22-minute short film would be aired on the History Channel, given its length and historical significance. He further disclosed plans to produce a full-length version of the film, which would be screened in cinema halls across the state to reach a wider audience. Additionally, the Chief Minister encouraged the film's director, Romi Meitei, to consider making a short film on the Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891. He assured that the state government would allocate the necessary budget for this project, further emphasizing the government's commitment to preserving and promoting Manipur's rich historical legacy through film and other media.
Maharaj Kulchandra ki wari ke se tar kana khoi da turjungi hai se Tigendrajit Thangal yamna akhoi na khangnare the Kulchandra ki sidi indong nong akhoi na khangda even mangon da mana Mount Harriet to Mount Manipur and Wallapa Matamda, Kari Wondo, you know, guys, the Wanamogi Madugi, Magi script, my Amana Idamba Muitonamba, British Idaganamba, Matamdugi, Maharaj Kulusandra and Haidamba language you do. Ningsim Murga Haita, Koi Gomenato Risho Kogi, Tungi Miro, Lamadingasi Miro, the Katang, nationalism, you Wakalun, Dama, Laivaki, Zatigi, Lainana Vine, Koi Honabani.
The Indigenous Peoples Organization Manipur IPOM commemorated Reconsolidation Day at Wangu Nauda Khong Playground, celebrating the historic event of the consolidation of Manipur in 1819. The ceremony was graced by distinguished personalities, including retired Professor W. Nabakumar from Manipur University, Advocate Y. Devadatta, President of IPOM, B.M. Yaima Shah, Vice President of FOX, K. Yaima Kosil Maring, President of Maring Uparab Assembly, Lanbon Kabui, Vice President of Kabui Union Manipur, and social activist Areng Jatak Chiru, who all participated in the observation. Retired Professor Nabakumar remarked on the importance of remembering the sacrifices made during this period of history, emphasizing that it was essential to acknowledge the efforts to preserve the culture and heritage of the Meitei people. Nabakumar also reflected on the idea of Manipur's reconsolidation, stating that the unity and integrity of the region must be maintained through continuous awareness and cultural pride. He stressed that the history of Manipur should not be forgotten and should be celebrated to instill a sense of collective responsibility. In a breakthrough, security forces conducted search and area domination operations in vulnerable areas of the Hill and Valley districts, uncovering a cache of deadly weapons at Sahibung Peak 0. Kodzim Road under New Kaitel Manvi Police Station, Kangpokpi district. The recovery includes one 5.56 Heckler and Koch G3 rifle with a magazine, one .32 pistol with a magazine, and one 9mm pistol with a magazine. They also seized 10 rounds of 7.62 mm ammunition, one single-barrel rifle, and 2 tube launchers. The operation has dealt a significant blow to the presence of illegal arms in the region, reinforcing security measures in sensitive zones. In a similar operation conducted early this morning, a combined team of 33 Assam Rifles, the Commando Unit Kakching, and personnel from Hianglam Police Station carried out a search operation at Sengmaizin, Hangol, Mayalikai. The operation, based on reliable intelligence, was conducted from 5:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. and led to the recovery of a significant cache of arms, ammunition, and other items concealed in the area. The items recovered include one 7.62 SLR rifle bearing body number S3368 without a magazine and one SBBL firearm bearing body number 18572-2010 marked as Bhatti and Company. They also seized one Countrymat 9mm pistol marked T1723 with an empty magazine and one Countrymat .32 pistol marked Met in USA 7.85 with serial number 1442. In addition, 3.36 hand grenades with 2 arming rings but without detonators were found, along with 1 tube launcher, 3 live 9mm rounds of ammunition, and 2 12-bore cartridges. 10 fired-out empty cases of AK rifle ammunition were also recovered, along with 2 stun shells, 1 tear smoke shell, 1 tear gas grenade, and 1 stun grenade. The recovery further included 1 Kenwood wireless set, 1 torchlight marked Power Link Solar Nano Royal, 2 bulletproof vests, 2 pairs of tactical boots, and 1 bulletproof helmet. Additionally, the team seized a plastic bag and a rice bag from the area. All recovered items have been formally seized and handed over to Hianglam Police Station for further investigation and necessary action. A joint team comprising Manipur Police, 37 Assam Rifles, Forest Department, and an executive magistrate carried out a poppy destruction operation on January 8, 2025 in the Haupi Molen Hill Range under Sangai Kot Police Station in Churchandpur district. During the operation, the team destroyed approximately 4 acres of poppy plantation and seized 10 poppy pods. An FIR has been registered in connection with the case, and efforts are underway to identify and take action against those involved in the cultivation. The indefinite ban at the Makhan Gate number 1 and 2 by Lengmai Naga women in response to the alleged physical assault of a Lengmai woman by miscreants from the Kuki community had entered day 2. The Makhan Gate covers a crucial road linking the Kuki regions of Churchandpur and Kangpokpi, also known as the Tiger Road. The ban, which began yesterday, is a collective decision made by the women in the light of the incident that occurred 2 days back when the victim alongside her husband was attacked while carrying out ground leveling work for their home in K. Lungwiram in Kangpokpi district. The assailants, believed to be from the Kuki community, not only physically assaulted the woman but also destroyed her phone, further escalating the tension between the 2 communities. The Liangmai Naga women are determined to continue the protest until justice is served. Well, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be back with latest news and updates.
Admission open. Honeycomb Foundation School Mongsage Bore Makong the Labor Asigi English Ganikun Manga Kuntaruk session gi. They care class 5 Hobby admission hosere. School sitting Tina Trent or Apaba Amadi experience later about Ozakayana Angang Single section na tak pitambiri. Mings and Magi Oina Sucha the Yankee discount pizzeri Asida Sunatana, Ate Kudong Sabakaya Amasu Tamzeri. Pizzeri Kudong Saba Singasi Akaknamatam Karakatagini, Nasimak Lexin Biratuna Akopomarol Kangbiho Amadi Kudong Saba Silobiho.
Go Aviator Academy na Manipurgi Housing Oiriba. Tangdu Laitadana Ladiba Asigi Yenglaga, Haurat Liba Satra Singidamakta, free course pizzeri. course adudi cabin crew amadi ground staff akopa marol gidamak contact tawbiraku 7005285195 amasung 7005819002 natraga aikhoigi office Nongmaibung Imphal East lengsinbirau.
Welcome back. After the break, you're watching ICE English News. The Coordinating Committee on Manipur's Integrity, COCOMI, strongly condemns the assault and manhandling of the Liangmai woman, which highlights the escalating issue of land encroachment in Manipur. In release, the COCOMI stated that the attack exemplifies the increasing aggression faced by indigenous communities in the region, stating that for decades, the indigenous people of Manipur have faced systematic encroachment on their lands by immigrant groups, primarily from Chin-Kuki communities. It said these settlers have increasingly occupied lands, exploited resources, and disregards agreements with local village authorities. The COCOMI calls for immediate action from the state administration to resolve these issues based on historical records and facts, ensuring the protection of indigenous rights. The organization urges all indigenous communities to remain vigilant in protecting their lands from illegal encroachment, stressing the collective responsibility to preserve their identity, land, and resources. The Public Works Department, PWD Manipur, has announced the temporary closure of the Belly Bridge at Chotabekra, located at the 19 kilometers mark on JT Road in Jiribam district. As per an official notification issued by the executive engineer of the Jiribam division, the bridge has been deemed unfit for heavy vehicle movement and will undergo repairs from today till January 31st. To ensure uninterrupted traffic flow during this period, a bypass route will be constructed adjacent to the bridge. Commuters are advised to follow the diversion and cooperate with the authorities during the repair work. The Asha Darshan, a NGO based in Assam, has sent as many as 300 double blankets to aid internally displaced individuals residing in various relief camps across Imphal East and Imphal West. Volunteers from the Universal Friendship Organization spearheaded the distribution efforts, ensuring that those in need receive immediate warmth during challenging times. Additionally, Asha Darshan provided a financial contribution of 6,000 rupees to support the purchase of medicines for an inmate at the Mayang Imphal Prabhavati College relief camp, who is currently battling depression. The aid is aimed at alleviating the individual's health struggles and providing some respite. Further extending their support, Asha Darshan also allocated 15,000 rupees to the Biramangal College relief camp. The sum will be used to purchase handloom products, encouraging the camp's inmates to engage in livelihood activities and promoting self-sustainability in the community.
Asha Darshan ki mi makhada koi UFO madi Asha Darshan ki volunteers singna koi mai full Prabhavati College de leba relief camp ta nasi blanket pibiram se yang noise koi relief camp ki mai kai de committee mai kai de game inmates mai kai de ka phone tok se
koi ji ji lai se koi ki samul comment high school da ham koi ki relief camp da ni Asha Darshan na koi ki Tamilpur PTR Assam ki kuthang da koi ki UFO की टीम में लाभ कितना लाइब्रेरी बाप किसी किसी लाइब्रेरी बाप की सामने कमेंट हाई स्कूल की दिल्ली कैंपस द लाइब्रेरी बाप की इनमेट सिंह की फैमिली वाइज में ना ब्लैंकेट पे भी हम कितना मत लाइब्रेरी बाप की आपको दिल्ली कैंप कमिटी में दी लाइब्रेरी में सिंह में कहीं देगी अन्य लेता ना कोई तो मिमल काम में दी अगर तुम चली या हम लोग हैं वो कौन सी हम करते हैं.
With the motive to bring together all the offspring of Firan village and celebrate their success in life, those sheltered far and wide, the Firan Aungsung Alam 2025 was held at Firan village in Chandel district today. Attended by hundreds of the offspring of the Firan village, the celebration also saw the attendance of N.G. Lorho, President of the United Naga Councils as chief guest, Reverend James Thangsel, Director of Catholic Medical Center, Koirengai, L.S. Moses, A.I. Jetty O. Chandel, among many others. Addressing the meet, L. Boring, patron of the event, informed that Firan Lonku village is one of the oldest villages of the Anal Nagas and dates back to about 100 AD. And celebrated under the theme, Lonku is shining forever. The convener informed that the theme has been chosen to celebrate the success of the offspring of the village. As chief guest, N.G. Lorho, the president of the United Naga Council, appreciated the village and said that such historic villages should be well preserved. He especially called for supporting, acknowledging and respecting those who stay back in the villages and protect it. As part of the celebration, N.G. Lorho also unveiled a monolith and released a souvenir titled Firan Angsung Alam 2025. The occasion also saw voices in tapestry, allies Tharin enthralling their audience with their amazing voices, while the youths of Y Kutha presented the Anal Naga cultural dance. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh honors 191st death anniversary of Maharaji Gambhir Singh, announces development projects and preservation efforts at Langthabal. Chief Minister Biren attends screening of Chahi Taret Khuntakpa at Kangla as the rest of the state commemorated National Reconsolidation Day. And Liang Mai Naga women continue indefinite ban at Makhan Gate on Tiger Road over assault by Kuki miscreants, while Kokomi condemns assault. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching ICE News and good night.